If you're trying to sell your property, you've probably noticed most platforms are built for agents, not sellers. Commercial Exclusive is different. You can sell privately and stay in control. Here's how to choose a listing plan and create your listing. Each plan varies by duration and level of detail. First step is clicking on Create Listing button, and then you will start by choosing a listing plan. Our plan starts from $64.99. You can also add optional upgrades. Move your listing to the top of search results, feature it across the platform, add extra photos, or extend how long it stays visible. All of these help your property stand out when needed. Creating a listing is simple. You start by selecting a property type, for example, sale of business. Next, choose the subtype, such as food and beverage. Then, add the key details. This includes the listing title and the price, such as a fast food restaurant priced at $450,000, along with the listing type for sale or rent, and the province and city. Make sure to include a clear description of your restaurant and add relevant keywords that accurately reflect the business so buyers can quickly understand what is being offered. As you continue, you can add helpful details like zoning or permitted uses. These small touches give buyers a clearer picture of what you're offering. Before publishing, you'll verify that you're authorized to list the property as the owner. This keeps the platform trusted, secure, and professional. Once your listing looks complete, you'll move to the payment screen. After activation, your listing goes live quietly to verified buyers, investors, and the commercial agents on the platform. When a potential buyer or an investor is interested, they can contact you by email or phone. They don't see your identity or exact location unless you choose to share it. You decide who to speak with and when. And if you ever feel like you need help, Commercial Exclusive makes it easy to find the right agent. Just go to the Commercial Experts directory. You'll see badges that explain who each agent is. Yellow means they're licensed in multiple provinces. Blue means they're an individual agent in your region. Team means they are part of a real estate team. And verified means they've been reviewed by the platform. If you like someone, you can email them or book a call right from their profile. Welcome to a smarter, quieter way to sell your property. Welcome to Commercial Exclusive.